It's Saturday, November 11th, 2017. This is Bitcoin recap Friday session. Okay. As I said, I was looking for a pullback, a sell-off to occur to confirm the corrective wave 4 lower on the structure of the daily chart. Also, I noted there the attempts of the price of the candles to try and break above the 45 timing angle. Upon the fourth attempt, it was rejected. Those of you that follow Gann's methods, he'd always look towards the fourth attempt, whether it's a support or resistance, to give the confirmation. And once again, this did not fail. So upon the fourth time of being rejected, we've had the sell-off. So I still maintain we're going to have a back test of the major timing angle here, which intersects this other 45 timing angle, which may occur or should occur on the time count around the 20th of November. Could arrive early, could arrive a bit later, but I'll be looking around there to complete the corrective fourth wave lower before we see a final wave 5 higher for an ultimate target of 10,000 or maybe above. Just move across to the 4-hour chart here for a minute. I also noted we had this compression wedge, this pattern. Why I call it a compression? It's a wedge pattern because it holds a lot of energy, and as we can see from each move, it gets compressed to a point where it either breaks higher or lower. But upon the break of either one of the trend line, where it's the lower trend line or the upper trend line, we get a major energy break and a major move as a result of that. So as we can see, we had the break below. The price came back and it's tested the 50 Fibonacci. The following candle tried to push below it, but for now the 50 Fibonacci is held. But I do believe when these patterns occur, they more than likely like to go back to the 38, because the 38 is a major Fibonacci ratio and is a part of a 144 cycle. So I'd be looking towards the 38, which gives us a number of 6,219, which also aligns and matches up on our daily chart with these timing angles. So it may even momentarily on the daily breach below these timing angles, but I think once it confirms the 38 on the 4-hour, it's going to come back and ultimately these will hold, and that will give the signal that the corrective wave 4 has completed, and we'll start to see the final wave 5 higher take place. So upon this movement, I'll do further updates later on in the week, and we'll track this to see how this is conforming to this pattern and this time count.